Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making gingerbread cookies in the form of a gingerbread man. It's almost Christmas and these are traditional cookies eaten by Christmas. I also make them every year and I love to make them and I love to eat them. So let's start.
These are the ingredients we need this time. Light brown sugar, flour, butter, honey, an egg, baking soda and gingerbread spices. Begin by adding the room temperature butter to a big bowl. Add the brown sugar, all of the honey and gingerbread spices. If you don't have a pre-made mixture, you can use cinnamon, ginger and nutmeg. I will list all the ingredients in the description below. And don't forget to add a pinch of salt. Get in with your hands and mix everything together. After it's mixed, add an egg and mix this one in as well. When that's done, throw in all of the flour and a teaspoon of baking soda. Transfer everything on your working table and form a ball out of the dough. It shouldn't be sticky, otherwise add a little extra flour. Wrap this in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. After the dough is chilled, cut the dough in half and roll it out until it's roughly 4 mm or 1/8 of an inch thick. Make sure to rotate the dough and add enough flour so it doesn't stick to the surface. Now cut out all of the gingerbread mins. And put them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Put them back in the fridge for around 10 minutes before baking. This helps them maintain their shape. Now bake them in a 170 degrees Celsius oven for around 12 to 18 minutes. Transfer them to a cooling rack before decorating them, or just straight dive in if you can't control yourself. Repeat this for all your dough and enjoy!
And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one.